Hey friends, today we're gonna draw a glass of chocolate milk.
Yeah, we hope you're gonna follow along with us. It's gonna be a lot of fun. You need your drawing supplies. We're using markers, but you can use whatever you have at home or in the classroom. You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first start by drawing our cup. We're gonna draw two lines that are perpendicular. That means they're going side by side without getting closer or further away. There you go, and then leave some space. Yes, that's awesome. Now down at the bottom, we're gonna connect these lines with a curve at the bottom. This is the bottom of our glass. And we're drawing our glass 3D or a cylinder shape so that it looks really cool. We're gonna start here in the middle. This is a little tricky, but I bet you can do it. We're gonna draw a squished circle. So I started in the middle and then went out to connect on each side. And then, yeah, you did it. Nice job, that's awesome. Okay, now we're gonna draw that same ellipse, but we're gonna draw it lower. This is for the top of our chocolate milk. And do you notice something different? I didn't go all the way to the edge. We're inside the edge on both sides. That way, it'll make our glass look thicker.
Oh yeah.
Now we're gonna start here on the side of the ellipse. We're gonna come down, we'll stop there. We'll do the same thing on this side. This is for the chocolate milk inside of the glass. And then down at the bottom, we're gonna draw a curve to connect, and I kind of made it thicker. The bottom of the glass is thicker than the side. Yeah, now let's add our funny face. I'm gonna draw a smile. And our friends could change the funny face. You don't have to do it the same as us. I'm drawing the mouth really big. And then I'm gonna add a tongue inside. And then let's draw a big circle for the left eye and a big circle for the right eye. And then we can add that small little circle for the highlight to make the eyes shiny. And then let's color in the big circle, but leave that little circle white. We did awesome. We finished drawing our, except it looks just like regular milk.
Yeah. Yeah, we need to color it brown.
Yeah, chocolate milk is brown, not white.
Yeah.
All right, this part we're gonna speed up so you can pause the video at the end and take time to color your drawings. We did it! We finished drawing and coloring our glass of chocolate milk, and it turned out awesome. I love yours, Austin.
Thanks, I like yours too.
I also added little extra details like chocolate hearts, and maybe these are bubbles popping.
And pink sparkles.
Pink sparkles. We also used a blue marker to add a little shadow, and we also added pink in the mouth, and we used our blue colored pencil to add a little highlight at the bottom of our eyes.
Don't forget the gray shadow too.
Oh yeah, down at the bottom. It makes it look like it's sitting on a table.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing a glass of chocolate milk.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun. And remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings don't look exactly the same, but they both turned out awesome. And that's because the most important thing is
To have fun.
yeah, and to
Practice.
practice. Remember to have fun and practice, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.